Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you all ways to charge your MARSHALL WILLEN II speaker. So the first and the most simple way is using the power adapter and the cable, which is the USB Type-C. Here I do have the cable and we have to plug this cable into the charging port here. As you can see, here we do have now our speaker charging. Of course, I don't remember using the very quick chargers, because the producer says that it may degrade the battery very fast. So I think that this battery is some older generation, not this newer, not this latest type, like for example in the phones or in the latest JBLs. So I do recommend to charge it slower chargers. The second way is to charge using the phone. If your phone does have the micro USB or something like that in, or maybe Lightning, buy yourself an adapter. It looks exactly like that. This is the USB Type-C to micro, and the first part of the cable I do have here USB Type-C to C. Of course, we have to plug into the phone charging port here. And the second part we have to plug into charging port in our speaker at the side of it where we plugged the cable earlier. And as you can see, now our speaker is charging. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below.